Who are we?
Hillbilly Asians.
What are we doing today?
We're going to be fixing a flat roof.
We're gonna face a flat roof. Do you know what we need?
We need rolls.
We know we need this. This is all you need. Nice little towel, right? Put it on your shoulder
Nice.
like this. This is how we do it in Hillbilly land. Right here. Got a roll here.
How many pounds are those each? 90 pounds?
Yeah, 90 pounds. Whatever, Hillbilly. Ain't nothing, you know what I'm saying?
I'm supposed to be helping him, but I got a bum out knee.
Here, go up the ladder.
Hillbilly Asian style. You want me to go on the roof so you can pass it to me? Would that help?
Yeah.
That's how we do it. You just got the first roll up on there.
Watch the trap.
That's the secret of putting on your shoulder. So that beats going to any gym, right? We do it hillbilly style.
3 more rolls to go.
That's another, that's almost 300 pounds when it's done.
We got 6 rolls to go on the roof. All you need
I'm
is
not getting them
this.
games, man. He's got bigger chest than Bolo Young.
This is all you need. People don't know Bolo Young anymore.
That's our generation.
No Bolo Young.
Fun fact, the only thing Bolo knows how to say in
Oh,
English
that's a cut.
is cigarette.